Hey dudes, you looking for the best sweet souvenirs in Japan? Well, other than me. Don't worry, you've come to the right place. We've got you covered. Come on in and take a bite. Come in, come in. Hey Bytes, what time is it?
Time to come in.
Oh, I think it's time to come in. Let's come in. All right, welcome to Umami Bytes. Here we go. What are we talking about today?
We are talking about the world of edible souvenirs, otherwise known in Japanese as omiyage.
That's right. Basically, the stuff you gotta buy if you're in a rush, you're going to Japan, you gotta bring back stuff for your friends, stuff for yourself to eat.
Yep.
This is the stuff you gotta buy.
That's right.
You're not gonna waste any time looking at some AI-generated slop list. Just listen to what we say.
No,
All right.
sorry. That's right.
Let's go. What's number one?
Here we go.
Oh, KitKats. Here's Johnny. All right.
Hey, wait a second. Is Pedro bilingual?
Pedro is by a lot of things. Lingual is not one of them. But yes, what Pedro is holding up right now, and oh my God, that's an awful freeze frame. Let's get rid of that. Move it forward a little bit. Yeah. Okay, yeah. There we go. So Japan is pretty much well known for its uniquely flavored KitKats, is what I would say. Uniquely, You would say that?
Yeah, uniquely flavored. That's right. Hold on.
Now,
Let me go back just a few frames. There we go.
Oh, yeah, he's going down. Okay. Oh, stop it. Kill you.
All right, we'll leave it on that one.
Do not make fun of my beloved Pedro. Anyway,
Yeah, we love Pedro.
Japanese KitKats are the bomb. Everyone knows
Oh,
this.
yes.
Now, nowadays, overseas, you can get a lot of them, like the matcha flavored ones, the strawberry flavored ones, yada, yada, yada.
Which is why we wanted to feature some which are not those.
Exactly, the boozy flavored ones.
Boozy flavored.
What Pedro is imbibing at the moment is he has two in his hands, as you can see.
Yep.
One of which is the sake flavored Kit Kat, the red, and in his left arm, I don't know, is umeshu, plum wine, as they call it.
That's right.
And let me tell you, what makes these really unique is you can really taste the booze, as Pedro is. You'll see in a few moments. Yep. All right. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's a Kit Kat.
That's right. Now, this one is umeshu, as you said, and it is it's made with a really interesting kind of umeshu. Apparently, it's made with umeshu usually is made with shochu, but this umeshu is made with Japanese sake, nihonshu, and it's the name of the brewery is
a double whammy.
Yeah, Heiwa Shuzo is the name of the brewery, and it contains the extract of their special umeshu brewed with Japanese sake instead of the usual shochu, as I said. So it's a really good tasting umeshu that they're using in this one, and they, didn't spare any costs. It's really good.
I'm a big fan of extract, so keep it going. All right, yep, Kit Kat.
You see how it looks inside? You can tell that,
Yeah, well.
Okay. And
he's eating. Pedro, don't go too hard.
He's enjoying that. And then there's the next one is the one which is Japanese sake.
They really do kind of look like white chocolate ones, but they're definitely boozy filled.
Yeah, well, the one about this one is it's not only any kind of Japanese sake. It's made with what was it called again? I think it was Masaizumi. Is the name of the sake.
I'm going to defer to you on that one.
Out of Toyama, and the brewery was established in the 19th century, so it's quite a reputable brewery. And they have powdered sake from that brewery in this Kit Kat, so it's quite authentic.
It's kind of funny because you never think of Kit Kats as like some kind of luxurious, like renowned, long established luxurious treat. All due respect to Nestle, who, by the way, if we are complete suitors for sponsors for Nestle.
Oh,
but,
yes. Nestle listening?
But it is kind of funny that, like in Japan, you can get these Kit Kats that are that go above and beyond.
Yeah, right. I mean that's the great thing about Kit Kats in Japan.
Pedro, he's having a good oh no, Pedro. Oh no.
Pedro.
Pedro down. He always was a cheap date. All right. You skipped ahead to the first one.
Yeah, actually we're going to the next one here after Kit Kats. We're doing
Tokyo Banana.
Oh yes, Tokyo Banana.
Who doesn't love himself a good Tokyo Banana? Pedro does. What a recovery.
Let's talk about Tokyo Banana.
All right.
What are you going to say about Tokyo Banana?
When it comes to Tokyo Banana.
Yeah.
It goes like this.
Uh-huh.
Anytime you travel, like you go to like LA, like you have to have an In-N-Out. You have to have double.
Yeah.
You go to New York, you have to have a dirty water dog.
Okay.
I mean, I have those.
I don't know what that means, but
I have those everywhere, or a good slice.
A slice,
you go
I
to
don't-
in France. What do you have?
In France, an eclair, a croissant.
So basically, just bread. Okay, that's not that great. But you go to Tokyo.
Yeah.
You gotta have. Gotta. Oh my God, I'm stumbling all over my words today. Maybe I'm just feeling like Pedro. You have to have a Tokyo banana.
That's
you gotta
right.
buy it. People in Japan, if you live in a different prefecture, you live outside of Tokyo,
Yeah.
it's almost expected that you buy this like as a souvenir for your coworkers and
Yeah.
family.
Let's take a look at these Tokyo
Oh.
bananas. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. So what they are is they're like little sponge cakes, but they're filled with actual banana puree.
Yeah.
So
Let's check it out. Oh yeah, there it is.
I love it, creamy, gooey,
And it has real banana flavor inside, made with bananas, of course.
which I just said that
Yeah.
it's filled with banana puree. So it obviously it tastes like bananas bites.
All right. Hey, what's going on here?
What is going on here?
Ah!
Oh, Pedro's eating it.
Sorry.
All right. Well,
Wow. So yeah, and where do you get these Tokyo bananas?
they're quite easy to get into your hands. They're sold at most souvenir shops, Tokyo stations, and like any train stations.
Pedro's
And
really enjoying that.
If you're in a rush, like they sell them at the airport, so you can just pick them up there.
Okay.
Like yeah.
Cool.
And
Oh, and the next one.
this is one you're gonna have to explain to me. What the
Yes. Well, this is Hiyoko, and Hiyoko means chick, as in baby chicken.
like?
Chicken.
Oh, I thought you meant like me. Like I'm
Well,
kind of a chick.
Well, yeah, you're okay. If you want to call yourself a chick, go ahead. I kind of think
I
of
do.
you otherwise, but all right. Anyway, let's take a look at these.
Ooh.
Oh, by the way, forgot to mention, the box is specially available during the fall season. I can tell a nice ginkgo tree lane there and some ginkgo leaves on the floor and a few of those chicks pecking at ginkgo leaves. I don't think chicks enjoy ginkgo leaves. Maybe they're trying to eat the ginkgo nuts.
Are you talking about chicks as in chickens or chicks as in girls enjoying ginkgo leaves? Because I think they all enjoy those.
If you say so. And look, Pedro's really getting into it.
He's a chick too. The cock of the walk.
Oh, how cute is that? Come on,
Oh no! How could you even bite into this?
Pedro. No!
It's that whole Shawn Michaels, Ric Flair. I love you. Goodbye.
But I mean, they are there to be eaten. Obviously, they're cute as heck. But when you bite into them, you get that flavor. It's made with anko, which is a kind of
Red
traditional.
bean, as you explained in the last one about
Right.
drinks. Yeah.
Except in this case, it's not red bean, but it's a different kind of bean, white bean, and it's mixed in with a custard kind of egg flavor, and it's really smooth and it tastes great.
Well, I'm going to take Pedro's word for it.
Let's look at the next one then. What's this?
I like that.
Yeah.
Oh, I really like
Oh,
that.
yeah, I remember this one. This was a really good one too.
It
right?
is. It is. I really love these.
It's the pressed butter sand.
The
What does that mean, by the way? Pressed butter sand. It might be a bit hard to understand for some people not familiar with Japanese food.
Well, obviously, it's a pressed, cookie consisting of butter and sand.
Well, of course.
No.
You almost had this there.
For some reason, sandwich in Japan has become abbreviated to, as many people know nowadays, like with actual sandwiches, like
Yeah.
katsu sandwiches and
This is true.
tamago, like it's sando. But for some reason, the romanization has become sand.
Sand.
For these kind of cookies.
Right.
Basically, this is a butter sandwich, and they're cookies.
And that's right. So that's why it's called pressed butter sand. So sand, or actually sando in Japanese. And there we go. So it looks like that.
That's what it says. Oh, what's he gonna do? Look at that! Look at that!
Yeah, now you can tell. And this is a particular seasonal variety, by the way. It's chestnut flavor. So it's chestnut flavored pressed butter sand. No sand, no nuts.
Chestnut
just
being
chestnuts.
a fall Japanese kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's typical in Japan for the fall season, and I imagine in the fall season in other countries as well. But yeah,
These are really, really good. Like, we haven't even finished introducing all the ones that we're going to do today.
Yeah.
But I'm going to give you a spoiler alert. This might be my favorite. Like, this one turns me into a derelict. Like, you have to fight me off to keep me from these.
Yeah, they were uncommonly good. This is true.
I turn into John Gruden when I see these things. Like I just go like, nicey.
Yeah.
All right, okay, Pedro. God, shave you. Oh,
And the last one we're doing today is
Shiroi Koibito, also known as
Yeah.
White Lover, which was my nickname in high school.
okay.
Okay, I mean, yeah, just letting you know. But no, these are usually at the top of a lot of people's like omiyage edible gift lists. They're famous for being made in Hokkaido.
Yeah, made in Hokkaido. That's true.
Which is Japan's northernmost island. Or we got corrected on that once. Like
Well, it's the northernmost prefecture. I mean, island is a different thing, but yeah.
Okay, tomato, like all
Okay.
that kind of stuff. But no, these are really, really good.
Yes.
They're little, not too dissimilar from our previous cookie. They're just like, but they're thinner, little like.
Yeah, they're thinner, and
wafers.
inside you'll find white chocolate.
Yeah, these are really, really good.
They're crispy. They're tasty.
They're everything you want. Like
Yeah.
like. I'll be honest. There's a lot of stuff we're going to be introducing over these episodes that are just kind of like. I feel like have been like glazed and overhyped, and it's like, oh, you got to have these. You got to have these. You gotta
Yeah, I
have
mean,
these.
people talk about this one a lot,
Yeah.
right?
And
These
so
Shiroi Koibito.
you build it up in your mind. It's like watching a movie. It's like when, like if you haven't seen The Godfather, like everyone tells you like, oh, this is the best movie ever made.
Right.
And you're like, all right, I'm sick of hearing about this. And once you see it and you're like, oh, this is really good.
Yeah, it's actually worth the hype.
Yeah,
Everyone-
like this is what I think white lovers, well, all white lovers taste like The Godfather. Like roundabout analogy.
And
Pedro always struck me as a little bit of a sunny guy, whatever. He's enjoying his white lover.
he certainly is.
And here we go.
That's it. That we've covered all the ones we wanted to cover.
I think we've reached the end of this
Yeah.
goalless marathon that we call introducing Japanese snacks to the world. But
There are plenty more we could introduce, but we'd hear
Well,
we'd be here all day, right?
yeah, I gave you my favorite. What's your favorite?
All right. Well, my favorite, I would say, was the umeshu KitKat.
Oh,
To be honest, that one really took me by surprise. It
why?
had
Because you're an alcoholic.
I've been called different things, but yeah. Anyway,
We don't judge here, especially after seeing that video of Pedro. Like,
yeah. I mean, come on. Compared to Pedro, I don't know. Anyway,
no. But anyway, to put this all in summary,
yeah.
Japan has like some very, very awesome like chocolates, omiyage stuff that you really should bring home with you and are going to be crowd pleasers for sure. And it can be a little tough to wade through them all, but I would say that if you get these ones, it's going to be a surefire crowd pleaser and you'll be okay.
Yeah,
So-
that's a good selection. I would say these are.
Of course, it's a good selection. We selected it. What are you talking about?
We've got to be confident. All right.
I'm always confident. Anyway, please like, subscribe, follow. Love you all. And good luck, goodbye, good night. I say this out of order every time. Get used to it.
So long.